In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Paperform. Whether you're looking to promote a new product, gather signups for a webinar, or establish a crucial online presence for your business, crafting a well-designed landing page is a key element in attracting and converting potential customers. In this guide, we'll walk through setting up a landing page using Paperform, a powerful tool that simplifies the process, even for those who might be new to web design. First things first, you need to access your Paperform dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Create with AI. This feature leverages the power of artificial intelligence to streamline the landing page creation process. By clicking this, you're opening up the possibility of creating a sophisticated landing page with just a few detailed instructions. Next, you'll encounter the prompt box. This is where you can really set the stage for what your landing page will look like. You need to clearly articulate what you're aiming for. For example, you might type in something like, create a landing page for a fitness coaching program, add a sign-up form, a headline, and a call to action. Be as detailed as possible, outlining the essential components that your landing page should include. This is your opportunity to set the direction and style of your landing page. So take a moment to think about the crucial elements your audience would find appealing and engaging. Once you have entered your instructions, it's time to click the Generate button. This is where the magic happens. Paperform utilizes your inputs to automatically construct a landing page tailored to your specifications. Within moments, you'll have a framework that includes the sections and features you mentioned earlier, all ready to be fine-tuned into a finished product. After Paperform has generated your initial draft, it's time for some review and refinement. It's crucial to go through the page carefully. Consider the overall design to ensure it aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Look at the text. Does it convey the message you want your audience to receive? Perhaps the color scheme needs a tweak, or maybe the layout could be adjusted to better capture the visitor's attention. These small changes can have a big impact on how effective your landing page will be. And there you have it, a functional and attractive landing page crafted in just a few simple steps. Remember, the real beauty of using a tool like Paperform is that it allows for customization and flexibility. While the AI does a fantastic job in constructing the framework, your insights and unique touch are what will truly make the page stand out. Take the time to experiment with different designs and text until you're satisfied with the final result. Good luck and happy designing!